All right, go ahead, go ahead.
Go ahead, get on there.
Pull hard, Ethan. Pull.
Pull hard. Pull hard. Hold on. Stand up there. No, stand on it.
No.
He can't pull you sitting down. Stand on it.
Oh, I don't want to do that anymore.
We'll just do it one more time so Daddy can tape it.
Okay.
You gotta stand on it. Hold on, Ethan. Let her stand. Okay, pull hard. Hard. All right.
Okay. Okay, now can I sit on it?
Yeah, now you can sit on it.
Pull.
Can you pull, Ethan? Pull hard. You don't need to hang on, Bailey. Just let him pull. Pull hard. Hard. Whoa! He's determined. Look at his face. Whoa! All right, dude. Whoa! What up, dude? Whoa!